Welcome to a house. It's 233-900. Please call us at 252-327-3397. Now let's go check out this beautiful brick 3-bedroom 2-bath house. And it's an affordable price, and it's a really, really lovely area. Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Also, you call text all the time, 252-327-3357. We love talking to you. Don't be shy. Also, grab our buyer's guide and seller's guide in the description below. Super green grass, mulch, gutters. Roof is 2 years old. It's not that old. You can see they really tried to take care of this house really well. So we go upstairs, cute little brick ranch, couple steps. Now we're in the house and it's all flat from here. 4 steps and we're in. Storm door, painted black. And now we're in a house. You can see the replaced floors. I cannot touch the ceiling, so let's say they're at least 8 feet. So nice big open space to where you can really just sit around and enjoy. A lot of space. We come into the lit kitchen / dining area. You could put a bigger table and then have that storage unit if you needed the space for a bigger table, absolutely. You have double windows, and then you also have refrigerator staying, nice counters, oven, dishwasher, double sink, and of course, a really nice backyard. 4 steps. You can see it is a chain fence, but they put that covering over to really give a nice sense of being secure in our home. So there's lots of things you can do, and then people were creative that way and trying to find a way to make their house a little bit more private. And it's a really big yard. There is a storage unit over there as well if you need to put storage. So let's go back in the house though. So white cabinets, nice lights. Now we're moving back in. What else is kind of a nice feature is these lights over here down the hall are motion activated. So if I'm not in this hallway, they will be off. And if I'm walking, because I have been here a few times, they go on. So they're motion activated above me, which will save you money. Closet, storage closet if you need a storage closet. Now let's go to bathroom number 1. Washer and dryer go here. Behind me is a closet with the water heater. And then you can see bathroom number 1 has a nice sink, upgraded sink, nice floors, clean, nice gray in here as well. This is bathroom number 1. Moving on, we will go to bedroom number 3. We'll go 3, 2, 1. They're using this as an office space. They did upgrade these doors to actually have, it's an interesting thing that they upgraded the doors so you can have a nice updated feel to them. And they work really well as well. Moving on. Bedroom number 2. What's nice about this, the kids' bedroom, is this huge walk-in closet with a window. So your child also has a nice walk-in closet. Moving on to the master. I mean, you can use it for whatever you want. That's what they're using it for. The master, huge room. This is very big. Lots of space in here. You have a walk-in closet. And a really, really large master bath. Double sinks, those are upgraded. Sit down if you need to. Tub. Yeah, really upgraded, really modern looking as well. So this is a cute little house for $233,900 because they've done a lot of upgrades. This is really a move-in ready home, and we're so excited to show it to you. We are Alan Victoria, eXp Realty, and don't forget to call us at 252-327-3357.